Quiet, Charlie. You're fine. You're fine. It's me, Charlie.
Dan?
Yes, it's me. So
No, this is crazy. I'm not going with you.
I know. You just gotta trust me.
No way. You did it.
I did.
Oh my god. Sarah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Hey, love. I just wanted to check in on you. I know things have been rough since Ryan passed away, and with it being his birthday and all, I wanted to make sure you were okay. Let me know if you need anything. Love you.
Ugh.
Well, you know his name, so obviously you've been stalking him like a little freak.
You're a freak.
Now, listen, freak. I think it would be best if you just left the party. Boys!
You're coming with us, you freak.
Hey! What are you doing with me? Come on, guys. Can we talk about this?
Stay out, you little freak.